We have lived by making things faster, using them more easily, and discarding them faster. Convenience has increased, but the Earth has been quietly breaking down. Over time, the oceans have grown more hostile, and cities have become increasingly unstable. Today, the environmental crisis is no longer a story of the distant future. But times of crisis always call for new answers, an end to waste, and the creation of structures that can be reused, an invention that transforms environmental problems rather than simply processing them. Now, a new alternative begins. EcoC-Cube. EcoC-Cube began with a simple but powerful observation. Every day, millions of tons of plastic waste are discarded around the world. It started from a small idea that if waste plastics could be processed into usable products at low cost, plastic pollution could be significantly reduced. By shifting away from conventional sorting and washing-based recycling methods.
To respond to climate change, we inevitably continue producing concrete, cement, and steel reinforcement, industries that are among the largest sources of carbon emissions. The plastic industry also generates significant carbon emissions, but most emissions occur during incineration. If we could melt mixed plastics without sorting or washing and turn them into structural products, we believed we could create materials with properties superior to concrete and steel reinforcement.
What we need today is not grand declarations. We need practical technologies that can be used immediately in the field, technologies that create real change starting today. This technology enables the recycling of all types of plastics. Without sorting or washing, various plastic wastes are processed through shredding, melting, extrusion, and molding, transforming them into modular construction and civil engineering blocks. EcoC-Cube is gaining attention because of its wide range of applications, from urban infrastructure to coastlines and ports, rivers and waterways, slope terrain stabilization, retaining walls, and slope reinforcement. EcoC-Cube can serve as a structural alternative.
The material properties are outstanding. Its compressive strength is comparable to concrete, while its tensile strength is 5 times greater. Its moldability is also excellent. The interlocking block system allows flexible structural combinations. Traditional raw materials, like cement and aggregates, are becoming more expensive, and aggregates are becoming increasingly scarce in Korea. In contrast, waste plastics do not require new raw materials. In fact, removing plastic waste can even generate revenue. With government support, EcoC-Cube can be produced at lower cost than concrete blocks.
The innovation and potential of EcoC-Cube have been recognized globally. EcoC-Cube received recognition at the CES 2026 Innovation Awards, highlighted as a new solution for environmental challenges. In the era of climate crisis, the real solution is not faster temporary fixes, but technologies that redesign the world in more sustainable ways. Beyond this, EcoC-Cube, together with the Korea Low Impact Development Association and its member company, Westech Global, is actively promoting international cooperation through global forums. The environmental impact of this technology is simple and clear. Reduce incineration, reduce landfill, reduce leakage into nature. It breaks the cycle of plastic waste flowing back into oceans and instead converts that waste into structures society needs. Through winning the main prize at the 2025 Edison Awards and the CES 2026 Innovation Award, EcoC-Cube has established international trust in environmental technology and future infrastructure solutions. And now, that trust is becoming the foundation for designing a truly sustainable future. We are entering an era where technologies that protect the environment are the same technologies that protect human life. Now, a new standard begins. EcoC Cube, the new standard for a sustainable future.